What is all that about? Doesn't want to start. Sometimes it just fires up straight away, other times it just twats about. So, if anybody saw my last video, Skeg Vegas or Bust, you'll know that I had a bit of a problem coming home. In that, I got a puncture. So, this morning, I'm heading off to get my new tyre fitted. So, we'll talk about it a bit more in a wee while. But yeah, brand new Road 5, Michelin Road 5 for the back of the bike. I don't know what it is that went into it, but the garage have said to me that they don't repair punctures because they can't guarantee them, which is fair enough, because if someone has a blowout and then they sue the garage, they've not got a leg to stand on. So I completely get where they're coming from. However, this is costing me now about 170 quid. So the one I've got on has done, I think, just over 2,000 miles. Again, I'll give you all the numbers when I stop. I'm a bit concerned that the bike's not firing up properly. I don't know why that is being a problem. I think it's possibly, well, I don't know actually. I was going to say I think it's possibly electrical, but I don't know. It was fine when I went to Skegness, and it's been on the Optimate ever since we got back, the optimizer. So she fired up first time this morning, but I've just stopped to pick something up from the pharmacy and didn't want to know there. So it's an intermittent problem. I can't rule out that it's the battery. Just taking it steady because this back tyre's just got a plug in it. Not totally trusting of it. My plan is today, even though the weather, as you can see, is a bit shit, is to go and put some miles on the tyre. Scrub it in a bit. And then next week I've got a trip planned for Tuesday. I'm heading off to Norfolk, the North Norfolk coast. So I'll go to Hunstanton and then head along Brancaster, Burnham Overy, Staithe, those sort of areas before heading home. But we'll see how it goes. And I am completely paranoid about this back tyre as well. I constantly feel like the bike's swaying around. But I did the tyre pressure before I came out this morning. I know that the tyre pressure is correct, even though it's got a plug in. It's lost very little pressure since the AA man inflated it, and he overinflated it to get me home. I'll nip and see Mark, get the new tyre put on, and take it from there. It does sound as well like there's something clunking around inside the tyre, so I don't know whether the foreign object, whatever it is that punctured it, went straight into the tyre. It would seem a little odd for it to do that, but odd things happen, don't they? We shall see when he takes it off. I think it's about to piss down again. So I've got a spot of lunch packed, hop in a route on Kalimoto and see where that takes us. See how wet we get. So just coming into Grantham. Hi mate. Oh yeah. I'm alright, you? Where do you want it? Just behind here? Yeah, you've seen it before, haven't you? Yeah, you did. You put these tyres on. Yeah. You've been to sleep since then, haven't you?
Fucking hell. Hurts. Hey. Fucking hurts. Did I mention it hurts? You need that in for it?
So that was the cause of all my problems then? Little? Right, so new tyre fitted, £167.50. So what I'm going to do now is we'll take a trundle out, find somewhere to stop and plan a route, go and get this tyre scrubbed in. So where am I going to go? I know where I'm going to go. Let's take you up to Belton House. I don't think I've ever been there on this. So, new tyre start mileage, 8343, 8340 we'll call it, because I've done 1 or 2 miles. I think this is all 30 down here. Jesus, bloody great rock in the road. We've got brand new tyres on and there's effing great rocks in the road. So we'll just pop in here. Oh God, I put all that bloody loose chipping crap down here as well. Looks like it's been down a while though. I just hate the stuff. I just hate the stuff. So, look. National Trust's opened up again. There'll do. Now look at that. An old phone box and an old pump. "112 miles from London. 23 miles from Lincoln." It's an old hand pump for the village, isn't it? Old telephone box, look at that. So, there she is, that's a new one. A new tyre. You've got chunks of gravel stuck in the sipes on it. So, that's it, 165 quid, 167.50 I think it cost. So, the start mileage of the old tyre was 5,777, and the current mileage when I got the puncture, when I got home, was 8,334 miles. So I'd only done 2,557 miles on it. And the expected mileage, really, I mean, when you look at the Andy Mancam video, the expected mileage was between 7,500 and 8,000 miles. He's just changed his on his new video, and he got 12,000 kilometres out of it. And when you looked at the tyre on the wear indicators, which are in here, he was still a way away from the wear indicators. I estimate he'd still got probably 500 miles left in that tyre. Yeah, you can look at that Andy Mancam video. It's one of his recent ones, so it's not difficult to find. And in that he talks about how good this tyre is. I think they're just amazing tyres. They're brilliant tyres, really. I wouldn't put anything else on my bike because I am so happy and confident using this tyre. I just don't see the point in using a different tyre unless someone could convince me otherwise. The weather at the moment is, well, the sun's actually out at the minute, but it did look like it was going to rain. Jesus Christ!